सबको आपका YouTube चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं रीजनिंग डाइस के बारे में, टोटल ऑफ इट्स कंसेप्ट विथ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स। सो आप सबको मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए, नहीं तो आधा अधूरा ज्ञान मिलेगा जो कोई काम का नहीं होगा। सो नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट डिटेल्स ऑफ द डाइस. So now let us discuss about the non-standard dice. What is a non-standard dice? Let us see. So if the sum of numbers on any two adjacent faces, is equal to 7, then it is called a non-standard or general dice. So sum of numbers on any two adjacent faces must be equal to 7 to get a non-standard dice. So let us see. One figure is drawn for you. So here suppose given 3, 4, 2. So here see, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So when 7 is coming, that is a non-standard dice. So details about the non-standard dice we will discuss by taking examples. So now let us discuss about the faces and the numbers on their opposite faces as well as on their adjacent faces. So now face. So face numbers on opposite faces and numbers on adjacent faces. So one by one I will tell everything. So watch the video till the end. It is 1. So number on opposite faces will be your 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, but cannot be 6. Then here 6 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, except the number itself, all other numbers will be on the adjacent faces. So now come to 2. So when 2 is there, 1 will be there, or 3 will be there, or 4 will be there, or 6 will be there, but 5 will not be there in the opposite faces. So 5 will be where? In the adjacent 5. So or 1 or 3 or 4 or 6. Now face is your 3, then 1 or 2 or 5 or 6. Now adjacent 4 or 1 or 2 or 5 or 6. Now face is your 4. Then number on opposite faces will be 1 or 2 or 5 or 6. Now number on adjacent faces will be 3 or 1 or 2 or 5 or 6. Now hash digit is 5. So number on opposite faces will be your 1 or 3 or 4 or 6. And number on adjacent faces will be 2 or 1 or 3 or 4 or 6. Now 6 will be on the face. Then number on opposite faces will be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Number on adjacent faces will be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So these things is given as a model for you to remember. So now move on to the example. In the given figure, which number or numbers will be opposite to 6? So पहले पता करते हैं ये स्टैंडर्ड डाइस है या नॉन स्टैंडर्ड डाइस है. So here 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So non-standard dice. So non-standard dice. So when non-standard dice, the digits which are visible are 2, 3 and 4. The number which are visible cannot be opposite to each other. So 2 or 3 or 4 cannot be opposite of each other. So then what will be the opposite of 2, 3 and 4? So opposite of 2, 3, 4 are what are else? 1, 5 or 6. 1, 5 or 6. But our question is asked, which number or numbers will be opposite to 6? So 6, opposite to 6. Opposite of 2, 3, 4 are 1, 5, 6. So opposite of 6, which are opposite of 6 are definitely 2, either 2 or 3 or your 4, because 1, 5, 6 can be seen at a time and 2, 3, 4 are seen at a time. So the opposite face of 6, 2 may come, 3 may come or 4 may come. So our correct option is 2, 3 or 4. Where is there? So this is our correct option. This is wrong, and this is wrong. So now move on to another example to explain it in a better way. Now move on to the next example. Let's see, two different views of a dice are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the number that will appear opposite to 4. So पहले पता करते हैं ये स्टैंडर्ड है या नॉन स्टैंडर्ड. So 5 plus 2 7. Here also 4 plus 3 7. So this is non-standard dice. Now is there any common? Yes, 5 is common, 3 is common, 2. When two numbers are common, 5 and 3, these are common. These two are common. When two numbers are common, then opposite to 4, opposite to 4 is your which one? 2. When two numbers are common, we'll cancel these two. Then what number left in one face will be opposite to the other face. So opposite to 4 is 2 and opposite to 2 is also your 4. Or directly we can write here like this, 4 opposite. So now move on to the next example. Two different views of a dice are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the number that will appear opposite to 3. So first of all, we will see whether it is a standard dice or non-standard dice. So 4, 3, 7 non-standard. Here also 5, 2, 7 non-standard. So see, the figure is given, so you have to look at the figure very comfortably. In the figure 1 to figure 2, it is clear that the dice is rotated downwards. So rotated downwards, then the number opposite to 3 will be which one? So see, 3 comes downward, 2 comes upward, so the number opposite to 3 will be your 2. So 2 is your answer. So keep it in mind, the opposite faces cannot be seen at a time or cannot be viewed at a time. So move on to the next example. Two different views of a dice are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the number that will appear opposite to 4. So पहले पता करते हैं ये स्टैंडर्ड डाइस है या नॉन स्टैंडर्ड डाइस है. So 2 plus 6 8 10 6, but here 4 plus 3 7. So any one of them, if the sum of the adjacent faces any two will come as 7, then it will non-standard. So it is non-standard dice. What will be opposite to 4? So you know opposite faces cannot be viewed at a time. So opposite to 4, opposite to 4 will be a which number? So now opposite to 4 cannot be 2, because 2 and 4 are adjacent, so it cannot be opposite to each other. Then 6 cannot be opposite to 4 as it is adjacent. Now 3 cannot be opposite to 4 because 3 is adjacent to 4. Now the number itself, 4 itself cannot be opposite to it. So these 2 or 6 or 3 or 4 cannot be opposite to 4. Then what is left? Opposite to 4. So opposite to 4 is either 1 or 5. So either 1 or 5 is your answer. So now move on to the next example. Two different views of a dice are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the numbers that will appear opposite to 5. Now see, 2, 3, 4 are given. 4, 5, 6 are given. Is there any common number? Yes. Which is common? 4 is common. So when there is a common number between two given dice or many given dice, then what we will do? So we will move this in clockwise direction, or you can also move in anti-clockwise directions. So in figure 1, what I am getting? In figure 1, I am getting 4, then in clockwise 2, then here 3. In figure 2, what I am getting? I am getting 4, next clockwise 5, then here 6. So my question is, what will appear opposite to 5? So opposite to 5, this. So opposite to 5 is your 2. If it's asked opposite to 3, then will be 6. Opposite to 6 will be 3. And opposite to 2 will be 5. Opposite to 5 will be 2. But what will be opposite to 4? If asked, then 2 cannot be opposite, 3 cannot be opposite, 5 cannot be opposite, 6 cannot be opposite, 4 cannot be opposite to itself. Then definitely opposite to 4 will be 1. Now move on to the next example. 4 different views of a cube are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the letter that will appear opposite to S. So opposite to S. Now see, four options are there. Q, R, T, P. So opposite to S. Opposite to S cannot be. Cannot be. Opposite to S cannot be. R. Because R is adjacent to S. Cannot be. T. So T is adjacent to S. Then your Q. Because Q is adjacent to S. Here S cannot be itself opposite to it. Okay. Now then what left? What left? Left is your number, the letter. Left is your P. So D is the correct option. So now move on to the next example. Four different views of a dice are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the number that will appear at the bottom when the number on the top is 2. So four figures are given, viewed at different angles. Now opposite to 2 at the bottom. 2 is at the top. The number at the bottom means opposite to 2. So opposite to 2. Opposite to 2. You have to find out how. So see where 2 is there. 2 is there or any common number is there. So let's see in figure 1. Figure 1. Figure 1, 6. Figure 3 also 6 is there. Any one common. We got any one common. Then by clockwise movement we can get the numbers to get the opposite faces. So now in figure 1, 6 common. So I will get 6, 3, 4. Now in figure 3, 6 is common. So here I will get 6, 2, 1. So here 2 is at the top. So what will be at the bottom? Obviously when 2 will be at the top, 3 will be at the bottom. So therefore 3 will be at the bottom. So this is your answer. So now move on to the next example. Four different views of a cube are given as viewed from different angles. Find out the letter that will appear on the opposite face of A. So in these type of figures, what we will do? क्या करेंगे? So first see, A will not be common. A, which answer is asked, will not be common. Other than A, what else are common in different figures? If 2 are common or 1 is common, let us see. So here AB common. So AB we will not take 1 and 2. Second, B common. A and F left. Yes, we will take the figure 2. Here common. 2 are common. B and E. Here also B and E are common. So in figure 2 and 3, figure 2 and 3, B and E are common. B and E are common. Hence, you know opposite to A is your which one? F. So F is your answer. Thanks for watching my videos till now. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if till yet you have not subscribed it. Like my videos, share my videos as much as possible, and do not forget to give your valuable comment to inspire me to upload more and more conceptual videos as well as trick videos. Thank you.